Hello everyone, let's check final postulate of object-oriented programming, polymorphism. Polymorph, it's many forms, literally, from Latin or from ancient Greek. I don't remember exact. And I'm already told about this repository in an encapsulation video. You can check first minute or two, and let's just go. Yeah, you can find the link in the description. Let's just go to examples. Here we have a polymorphism from this repository, and let's check what I'm gonna get for you. Good. Let's start with the Python. It's just don't have a matter from here start. All these examples is really simple, and the polymorphism is simple. Okay, let's close this console output. It's from inheritance video. It's stay from inheritance video, if be clear. Pets Python, and in this file we have a class dog, class cat, class bird, class human. It's really easy. We can delete class human from now. Okay, let's delete it all. And now we have something like that. We have a dog, cat, and bird. How you maybe know, dog say bark bark bark, cat say meow, and bird say twee, chirик chirik, if be clear. And we just create this whole class, and pay attention that we have one definition of speak. Def speak self, def speak self, def speak self. Self, it means that this method or function is gonna be called itself from itself. Yep, self initialization self. And for now we just create some object doc1, or in start it's mean that this object some kind of convention, and I'm just do it for you to be more clear that that we create objects here, not here. It's class, not object. Class, it's like some kind of logic from our object. We create object odoc1, odoc2, ocat1, ocat2, and obird. And now let's start this. Yep, we have a pets list with array of all these pets, and for in, where we iterate all this array with the speak method. Okay, Ctrl Alt N. Our code is running, and our rover say bark bark bark, feeder say bark bark bark. It's just our objects here with our speak method. Yep, bird say tweet. And why because I don't save. I have here human kind. Let's start it now, and you don't have human here. Okay, and now let's add human. Class human, and now pay attention. We can talk, and humans can talk, like you know, but our talk is really more harder than all dog, cat, bird, and other. Okay, what human gonna be say? Human gonna be say that he don't don't know what to say and all. Das ist der Weg. Understand this? You're just a genius. Okay, now object human with a name is human and the name of Ivango. Now you need add this human in pets list, but human it's not pet. But let's make this its pet just for clarity of our experiment. And now we have our animals and human who says that he don't know what to say and all. Das ist der Weg. You see, it's all polymorphism. It's really easy. We have definition with a speak, some methods. All this type of pets and life forms can speak, but they all speak other. They all speak in other languages or in other kinds of sounds like bark and meow. Yep, and it's polymorphism is really good example of polymorphism. It's languages, real human languages. Maybe you think why I wrote this on Deutsch Welle, on Deutsch sprechen, but it's just for clarity. We have a French, we have English, Russian, Deutsch, and really many others. Chinese, Japanese, it's more than 1,000 languages if you don't know that. And it's all polymorphism, really. All people can talk, can speak with the method of speak, all humans, but every human have speak with his own language, with his native language, and it's mean polymorphism. We all humans, but we all talk in other languages. I hope it's simple and you understand it. For example, das ist der Weg. It's let's add here. Das ist der Weg. It's German man will say, and tell la voix. It's a French man say. It's really one phrase. This is the way in English, but how you can see, all man, it's man and man, but it's gonna be sound really different. Das ist der Weg, tell la voix. Maybe est, it's some have some in common, but all other words it's different. But it's speak, it's a speak method. They speak, and they speak in other languages. It's mean polymorphism. Easy. Let's check another example. Growler Rust. Here we have our function main. It's entire point of Rust with some kind of objects, lion, tiger and bear, and we create some kind of trait. It's like methods or something like that with a function growl. Now we create struct lion, implement this trait growler for lion with a say growl. we implement this from tiger, we struct tiger, and implement it from beer. Pay attention that again we have some kind of trait in common. Here it's growler, in previous example, sorry, it's be speak function or method, and here is growler, and it's this just like analogy with the speak. Lion say growl, tiger say growl, bear say growl. Here we have a lion, tiger, and bear. They all say growl, they all growler, but it's really different animals: tiger, bear, and lion. Let's start it just for a protocol. Lion say growl, tiger say growl, and bear say growl. Easy. It's polymorphism. We have growler, but growler can do really different kinds of animal. Lion, tiger, bear, and many others. Even some kind of sea animals. Okay. This example is really easy, and at last let's check another easy example on Java. I'm not gonna run on this because its example is don't need to run. It's really easy. Public class vehicles, public static abstract class vehicle, and pay attention that this is abstract class. In Java it means that this class is some kind of parent from all other class in a vehicle public class. It's like a parent, and it's like a I can make a equivalence with a super constructor in JavaScript, or with a supper in Python, and something like that. Here it's look like abstract class vehicle. In abstract class we have a public integer wheels, what return our 0 wheels by default. And now we create some class like bike, who extend from vehicle, car, who extend from vehicle, and truck, who extend from vehicle. Pay attention on override logic here. It's a method of Java what can allow you to overwrite integer wheels with another logic, and it's just need for polymorphism here. Public integer wheels return our 2 wheels, public integer wheels from a bike, sorry, return 2, from car public integer wheels 4, and from truck it's 18 wheels. It's all. We how in our previous examples have some kind of vehicle. It's inheritance 2. Pay attention of it's my previous video about inheritance. But we have wheels in all this kind of vehicle. In a bike, car, truck, they all have wheels in common, but they have different type of wheels. Like in our pets example, they all can speak, but they speak really other kind of words. Guff, bark, sorry, bark, meow, tweet, chirik chirik, and other. Here it's wheels. Yep, and if we gonna run this, we just give that bike has 2 wheels, car 4, and truck 18. I even don't gonna run it because it's we don't need to run to understand this code. Okay, it's already 15 minutes. I wanted to give it as brief as possible, And if you listen polymorphism and you forget it for some reason, just think about car or bike or truck, and here his wheels, their wheels, if be clear. Just look from your window or type car. You see car, it's vehicle, how you know, and car have 4 wheels. Not all cars, of course, but they have all wheels, and it's vehicle in common. Bike, it's vehicle too, but it's have 2 wheels, and truck, it's vehicle too, but it's have 18 or okay, this truck have 4 wheels, but don't accent on that. This have 6. It's this have 4, 5, 10 wheels. Some kind of trucks have some wheels and some others. I just wrote 18 because it's more pleasant for your eyes to have some more different number. And is this all polymorphism? We have vehicles in common. Yep, trucks, cars, bikes, trucks of different marks, but it's all vehicle and it's polymorphism. We have a poly, it's mean a form vehicle in this example. Poly equals vehicle, and morph, it means that this vehicle can have a truck and have a bike, clown bike, even clown bike with 1 wheel, clown bike, nope, not that, 1 wheel, clown, yep, this bike. And I don't know why me on this picture, let's not accent on that. We have 1 wheel even, but it's 2 vehicle. What interesting. And it's all polymorphism. Poly in this example vehicle, and morph, it means that it's change for some kind of methods, properties. In my case it's wheels. Okay, I hope it's understand for you. If you forget what is polymorphism, just remember clone bike. It's all what I want to say. Okay, for now it's over. Maybe I'm add some other example, and if you want to add your, make pull requests and I'm accept it. Even if you made some really easy example, I am not accept all. Okay, finally it's over. Bye. Bumps.